Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to install Anaconda on our Mac OS systems. The first step is to download the installer. As you can see, we have two options here, Anaconda installer and Miniconda installer. Miniconda is basically a smaller version of Anaconda, and this is sufficient for this course. So we'll go ahead and install Miniconda. We can download the installer by clicking on this link, Miniconda latest Mac OS. The link has already been provided in the text section. I have already downloaded the installer in my system. Let's go ahead and see. So as you can see, the file is present in my downloads folder here. Now let's move to our terminal. So we'll first go to the folder where the file is present. In my case, it's downloads. Now I'll type bash and the complete file name. So it says press enter to continue. Now here are the license details. Press enter till you reach the end of this. Great. So to accept the license terms, type yes. Press enter to confirm the location. Now this will take a few moments. To accept the installation of packages, we'll type yes. So it says, for this change to become active, you have to open a new terminal. Thank you for installing Miniconda. So we'll go ahead and open a new terminal now. Now we'll create an environment. So to create a new environment, we have to type conda create space -n space av. Av here is the name of the environment. Then Python is equals to 3 space Anaconda. To accept the installation of these packages, we'll type y. This installation will take some time. So as you can see here, the installation of packages is complete. Now to check whether the environment was successfully created, we'll type conda env list. So this shows a list of all the environments in our system. As you can see, AV is one of those. Now to start working on the newly created environment, we'll type source activate AV. To check the list of packages installed in this environment, we'll type conda list. So here is the list of all the packages. Now to come out of this current working environment, we'll type source deactivate AV. So we are again at base. Alright, so just to check if everything is working fine, let's just start the terminal again and create a Jupyter notebook. So remember, the environment we created was AV. So to access the environment, we'll type source activate AV. Now let's type Jupyter notebook. So here's the Jupyter notebook. Let's create a new Python file. Click new Python 3. And here's the file. You can start working on this. Thank you.